This is my presentation on the life cycle on alligators and broad-snouted caimans. Stage 1. Hatchlings. Alligators are found in the fresh waters of southeastern United States and China in environments like marshes, swamps, lakes, and mangrove rivers, while the broad-snouted caiman are native to Central and South America but also prefer marshes, swamps, lakes, and mangrove rivers to inhabit. Alligators mate during the months of May or June. The female alligator typically lays 32 to 46 eggs in the late June or early July in a nest found in muddy areas composed of mud, sticks, and plant matter to provide protection during incubation. Incubation lasts around 63 to 68 days, with hatchlings emerging around late August or early September. The hatchling's sex is determined by the temperature, with higher temperatures resulting in more females. Broad-snouted caiman lay their eggs from mid-December through January. A female can lay anywhere from 20 to 60 eggs, with an incubation of about 70 days, with the female laying 2 layers of eggs in alternate temperature zones to regulate the ratio of male and female offspring, as the sex is also determined by temperature. The hatchlings emerge during late February to mid-April. Both species will be carried by their mothers for the first to 2 years of their lives in groups called pods to protect them from predators including birds, raccoons, bobcats, and even their own species. Stage 2. Juveniles. During the juvenile stage, alligators develop bright yellow cross bands on the back on a black background which acts as camouflage. They primarily feed on insects, amphibians, frogs and salamanders, small fish, and other invertebrates as they rapidly grow. Starting at 6 to 8 inches at birth, they can grow several inches to a foot each year, with the female growth rate slowing after she reaches 3 feet in length. Juvenile broad-snouted caiman have an olive green color with dark spots on their backs. Their diets mainly consist of small invertebrates like beetles and arachnids, spiders, ticks, and mites. Unlike the alligator, the broad-snouted caiman grows slowly, with both sexes reaching about 20 inches by the age of 5 and usually grow to be 10 feet in length. Both species prefer areas with dense vegetation for protection and the opportunities to hunt small prey. Stage 3. Adulthood. Juveniles start their independence around 4 feet in length and reach adulthood around 6 feet in length. Adult male alligators can grow to be 13 feet in length and may weigh over 500 pounds, with the females rarely exceeding 9 feet in length and weighing more than 200 pounds. Alligators reach sexual maturity when they reach around 6 to 7 feet in length, which can take 9 to 16 years for both sexes. Mature males and non-breeding females stay in deep water habitats, while nesting females, hatchlings, and juveniles prefer shallow marsh habitats with thick vegetation. Alligators can live up to 70 years, with alligators in captivity living even longer, feeding on an expanded diet from their juvenile stage to include muskrats, beavers, raccoons, large birds, fish, snakes, turtles, deer, and other large animals. Broad-snouted caiman reach adulthood around 4 to 10 years of age for females and between 4 to 6 years for males. Much smaller than the alligator, the broad-snouted caiman only grow to about 6.5 to 8.2 feet and weighs around 51 to 143 pounds. Their diet includes a variety of insects, crustaceans, fish, amphibians, snakes, turtles, and mammals. Social life and environmental impacts. Both species play a crucial role as habitat engineers for their ecosystems. Both species are equipped with broad snouts that are well suited for foraging in dense vegetation. This inadvertently contributes to vegetation dynamics through digestion and seed dispersal. Important refuges are for fish and other aquatic animals called gator holes, shallow depressions that fill with water, are created and maintained by alligators, which are crucial during the dry season. Gator holes also provide nesting sites for various reptiles and plants that are not tolerant to flooding, and nutrients are also moved through the environment by the digging process to make the hole. Alligators have been known to be social, with that exception of the larger males, and they have been known to gather in groups called congregations, especially during breeding season. The broad-snouted caiman are not considered a social species and have been known to be territorial.